Hi, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Faith, and I wanted to take this opportunity to thank those people who have been subscribing and liking and commenting. I really do appreciate. I just wanted to let you know that you should continue liking and sharing and subscribing for more videos for those who haven't. I'm back now and I'll be posting more videos. So yeah, today I wanted to show you how I make my simple beef stew. So come with me, let's get right into the kitchen. These are the ingredients I have. I don't like using a lot: black pepper, beef masala, cooking oil, salt. Okay, everything else I already chopped them into the blender. My meat is already cooked, ready to be fried, and my rice is boiling over here. I'm just going to cover it and let it simmer for like 3 minutes. So sweet. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.